Hello, this is video number 2. Same Taylor Park in New Jersey, Millburn, zip code 07041. And let's take a look close at this stream of water, which is really raging. Usually there is not such a big stream and not too much water, about a few inches deep, but now it's raging. Ooh, the waves. Wow, looks like river. Let's take a look at the streets. Let's see, over here it's dry, and this is what, Main Street, intersection of Main and Taylor Street. And down there, oh, there is a stream of water from that, I would say, river from Taylor Park, and goes straight to the road, and the car is hesitating and actually going back. Let's see if this truck is gonna go straight to that river. You can see cars coming up and making a lot of waves.
Oh, Kenny, Ken, the whole Millburn Ave is clean. Millburn Ave is dry now? Yeah, I don't know what they did. It stopped raining. All the water that was coming in stopped coming in. I was just telling you, like, you have no idea what it looks like.
Ooh, a lot of water coming down the street. Let's go to the other side. Wow, it's deep. Let's come closer. So the cars are thinking if they can go through. Probably not. Backing up. This one just coming up. Well, there is brave one. And the water came just to the house. Ooh. I'm standing in the water too, but it's alright. Playground, now full of water, if you can see it from over here. Alright, this is what's going on in Taylor Park, Millburn, New Jersey.